Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to send encrypted mail. When the receiver opens the mail, it requires a OTP or password to enter that mail. You can use this trick to send any confidential information. First of all, you have to click on compose. Then you have to type the mail ID of that person. For example, I am sending the mail to Chandan Kumar. Okay, you can mention the subject as confidential. Con Subject as confidential information. You can type your confidential message like that as examples. As for example, I have typed, "Hi Chandan, please make the note." Okay, that's it. If you want to attach any file, you can attach it. Go to attach files and you can select anything that you want. Okay, for example, we can select logo. Okay, open, file is attached. Now we have to go to toggle confidential mode. We have to click on that. Okay, here we can see set expiration. Expiration means expires in 1 week. You can change it to expire in 1 day, expire in 1 week, expire in 1 month, expire in 3 months, expire in 5 years. As of now, I'm selecting expires in 1 week. If a person receiving that mail didn't respond or didn't see that mail within 1 week, it will expire. Okay, automatically. We can say all passcodes will be generated by Google when the persons will log in or he will open that mail. It requires the passcode. Okay, we can click on save. Okay, then we have to click on send. Then we will receive the code according to our region. Our country is India. We will select the India and we will enter our phone number. That's it, we entered our phone number and we have to click on send. We have successfully sent the encrypted mail to Chandan Kumar. Okay, let's see when Chandan Kumar will open the mail, what he will see. Let's see. We have received the mail. We have to click on that mail. Then you can see it will ask you to verify your identity. There is an option send passcode. We have to click on send passcode. When we will click on send passcode, a 6-digit code will come to our phone. Let me check my phone. We have received the code. We have to enter that code. That's it. And we have to click on submit. We can see the mail now. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.